Too much history, have you make it so hard to leave ya? What should do? Big old man thing, me not.
Hey guys, it's me Nekeisha, whatever. Back again with another video. So as you can tell by the, come on lighting. Why is the lighting not lighting? Anyways, y'all, as you can tell by the title today, excuse the stains on my shirt. I was cleaning and stuff. But as you can tell by the title, today we're gonna be starting our 30-day natural hair cleanse. I was doing my research on this for a little while. First time I heard about it, it was like about a year back, I believe. And then I recently started doing my research, and based on what I looked up and what I learned, I realized that I probably need to do this and detox my hair, because I've been using raw oils on my hair for years, and it's like no matter what I do for my hair, it's always dry. It's never really moisturized for that long period of, like a longer period of time. I just feel like my hair kind of had a hard time holding on to moisture. And now that I'm learning that raw oils and butters can kind of create a layer on your hair where the water can't penetrate your hair and really moisturize it the way that it's supposed to. So after I learned that, I was like, yeah, that definitely sounds like me. It's probably time for me to try this out or whatever. But it's actually pretty simple. So the first step into all of this is to detox your hair. Now, I've heard that this Aztec clay mask is very good with detoxing your hair. So I already have it. So I said, okay, great, I'm gonna use it. So these are the steps that I'm gonna do first. So the first step is to shampoo your hair. So we also have a new way of shampooing your hair. You would not just shampoo the roots, but you shampoo the whole hair shaft as well. I've been shampooing only my roots for how many years? I can't even tell you. Since I heard about it, that's what I've been doing. But it's time for that to change. You got what I'm saying? Shampoo all the way through, roots to ends, and really get in there and really run your fingers through and let the shampoo do its thing. Y'all are gonna see the video of how I do it. So you would shampoo, then you go on with the Aztec clay mask. I saw some people saying like do this on dry hair, dry dirty hair. But then I also saw something that said if you shampoo your hair then you do a mask, it's better. So I think I'm gonna shampoo, then I'm gonna do the mask, then I'm gonna condition my hair, then I'm gonna put in my leave-in conditioner. I think that's how I'm gonna do it. Then I'm gonna go in with my regular conditioner. Now the way that you put in conditioner is also different. You're gonna put in the conditioner and you're basically gonna keep putting it through your hair until it becomes like it starts to lather, because that's how you're supposed to use conditioner. Comb or your fingers, whichever you want to do. I think I'm gonna use a comb. I'm gonna really get into it and detangle your hair. And then after that I'm gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner. Oh my god, it's almost done. Okay, either I'm gonna use this TGIN leave-in conditioner. I really love this stuff. As you can tell, like it's almost done. And then another thing that they said, you can either use a mousse or a gel. I don't have neither right now. I have Eco Styler gel, but I don't want to use that. I want like a moisturizing gel. So I'm gonna go for right now. I'm just gonna use my leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna go get a moisturizing gel some other time. I feel like I would be a gel girl. Like I would use gel. So I'm gonna get a moisturizing gel. So let's go ahead and get started. My hair, I freshly took out some braids. I'm gonna just take it off for y'all so y'all can see my hair. I just took out some braids and I did these big plaits all over my head. I also did clip my ends before I put in the braids, and I'm planning on clipping them again. I just want to keep clipping until I get off all of these. You see how it's like really thin here? I want to chop all of it off. I just want to chop it all off. I think that's probably what I'm gonna do today, but I really don't want to cut my hair wrong and have it uneven and stuff, because I had a pretty big chop, like not last year but like the year before that, in like April, and my hair did catch back up. Like it's already back to the length that it was, but it was severely damaged, and I don't think it's as damaged as it was before. But I'm talking too much, but we are about to get into this. If you're interested in watching this journey, let me put my bonnet on before I say this part. If you're interested in watching this 30-day natural hair detox, keep looking out for the videos. I don't know how often I'm gonna drop them, but it is 30 days, so I'm gonna try to record something about it. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it's probably not gonna be once a week. Y'all probably gonna get this video, then it's probably gonna be a part 2, then a part 3. But we're about to get in the shower. Oh, if anybody was wondering, this is the brand that I use for my shampoo and conditioner. It's the Renewing Argan Oil and Morocco by OGX. I've heard some bad things about OGX and their products, but honestly they work for me. I do plan on switching around my brand. I want to go to, is it Aussie? I want to try their shampoo and conditioner because I've heard great things about them. So I'm gonna switch over, but I'm gonna just use up all of this before I do. Okay, period. So let's get into the shower. Hopefully my camera doesn't act retarded and start unfocusing every 2 seconds. So I'm gonna try my best to capture this footage well without y'all seeing my naked body, because I'm about to shower too, period. Here we go. Alright y'all, so I'm fresh out the shower. I just have this thing on top of my head. Look at my setup, y'all. It's hot. But I'm about to let my camera charge for a little bit, and then we're gonna come back and do the leave-in conditioner portion. This is the leave-in that I'm gonna be using. I decided I'm gonna use my TGIM because I love them. And so yeah, I'm gonna let my camera charge a little bit, and we gonna come right back. I might get a little snack too, but I'm gonna let y'all know what happens. My hair has been sitting in the t-shirt for a while. I'm not gonna lie, it's all shriveled up and shrunken up now. It's still a little wet, like if you look in there, which is good. I'm not gonna lie, I did take a little break. I ate some cereal and I'm starting to watch Basketball Wives, but I'm about to go ahead and start putting in my leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna just go ahead and part my hair. I just want to say also, my hair felt so different after everything. Like after I put in the conditioner, I rinsed it. Like I kept rinsing for a while because I'm like, it feels like product is still in my hair. Like, but when I would touch my hair and then I went like this, there's no product on my hands. Like my hair was just, it just felt different. It was just highly, what I'm gonna say is that it was just very moisturized and very clean. Like I never found my hair feeling like that before, so I was a little confused. And also combing through and detangling it was very easy, honestly. So I'm not gonna lie, just from the first day I already kind of feel a difference in my hair. Even right now, like my hair has been sitting in that towel for how long, and it's like my hair absorbed the water and not the t-shirt. Like usually the t-shirt would be wet and drenched, but it wasn't wet. Like my hair was soaking in all the water, and you know, by now my hair would already been dry. I don't know, my hair usually would already be dry and crispy, and I would have to go back in with water, but I literally don't even have to. Like I might have to for like the front pieces, I guess, but it's like my hair is still pretty wet. There's some mask in my ear. I was trying to take it out with a Q-tip, but I wanted to eat, so I stopped and I was gonna go eat, and I went to go eat, but I'm gonna definitely get my Q-tips and clean out my ears, because what the heck. Oh my god, there's still so much in this one. Like I could have sworn I got a majority from this ear. I'm gonna ask my mom to cornrow my hair tonight. Usually she's scared to touch my hair because it's so like coarse. But I'm not tender-headed. Like I'm not tender-headed, but she just be scared to touch it. Yeah, I'm gonna cut them down into sections, and then literally just gonna put my conditioner on. So I'm gonna start off with a little. I'm gonna start off with this much, and I'm gonna rub it into my palms. And then we're gonna put it onto the hair. Oh, it smells so freaking good. See, I'm just gonna smooth it all throughout my hair. I'm not gonna put no eco styler in my hair either. I want to get a proper gel. I have screenshots of the gels to go buy and stuff like that, but you guys are gonna come with me on that journey and everything. But just a leave-in conditioner by itself can work, and it's good enough, but I'm extra, so I want more. I want to put a leave-in, and then I want to put my gel over it. If anything, I'm gonna do my own cornrows, but there's little to no I had some I'm not gonna say breakage, but you know, just shedding. Let me braid it. I'm gonna braid it so that my hair can be a little bit more stretched. So yeah, y'all, literally that's it. But yeah, my hair definitely does feel different. Like it just doesn't feel as dry. I'm gonna go ahead and twist the ends, but my hair doesn't feel as dry. And the washing process took about an hour plus, but I feel like that's just because it's the first time I was doing it. I had to clarify my hair, and I was just doing like detox my hair, and I was just doing a lot. But on a regular, it's not gonna take that long. So literally all you're doing, shampoo, conditioner, come out, put in your leave-in, you're good to go. My hair feels really moisturized, it really does. And yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna keep doing this all throughout my hair, and I'll be back when I'm done. Oh wait, okay guys, so this is my hair after I put in my conditioner and everything. Now I'm about to just put on my bonnet, and my mom is gonna come home and do my cornrows because I can't do it myself because I have nails on. But yeah, that's basically it. The next time I wash my hair, I'm gonna try to record it to keep everything in sequence. And basically the only thing that I'm gonna be doing different is just taking out the clay mask, just doing shampoo, conditioner, and the leave-in, and probably I'll have my gel. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to stay tuned for the other videos, that are coming up in this series, the 30-day detox. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all of my social medias, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.